sorry, cap, and then write con database is equal to gc new, and once again copy this MySQL connection and write it here, and make bracket close, and copy this string con string and paste it in your brackets. Now in the next line write MySQL command, and once again this cap sign, and write cmd database. By the way, I want to write this database B capital so I can recognize this database. Okay, and then is equal to gc new, and once again copy this MySQL command and write it here, and in here write bracket and bracket close, and in between this bracket and bracket close make one double quote comma, write or copy this con database variable and paste it onto this second place after comma, and in these double quote we will write our query which we are going to execute by or in MySQL database. So we will go to our database once again, and we will just click OK here, and it will guide to our database, and it's open. I have already made one database here called database, and it contains one table called eData. You can make your table according to your use, and just go to edit table data, and you can see I have employee ID, name, surname, age, username and password here. So what I will do is I will right click it, and I will first of all I will go to one query tab, this query one, and I will right click and send to SQL, and I will select all statement, and it will present me a select statement. So my database name is database, my table name is eData, so database dot eData. I will write select star from database dot eData in as my query. So I will write select star from database dot eData. Okay, this is my database name, this is my table name. Now in the next line, and yeah, don't forget to write this semicolon, because when you go here you can see this semicolon is there when you execute the query, so you need to write the semicolon here also. Select star from database, and this is all in double quotes. Okay, and in the next line write my SQL data reader, once again this cap sign, and write my reader and close it. I'll make a space here, and this will read our data. And now I will make a try catch block. Try catch, and in this try block I will write my code, and in this catch I will write exception cap ex, and when this exception come, it will show me the message in message box. Message box show, and in the bracket write ex and write this arrow sign and write message. So it will show some message if your database encounters some error. And in the try block you need to write what? You need to copy this con database variable which we have used with MySQL connection. Con database, copy and paste it here, and write this arrow sign or pointer and write open and bracket closed, and in the next line write or copy this my reader for reading my database, paste it here, is equal to, copy this command database from MySQL command and give this arrow sign once again, and then write execute reader bracket and bracket closed. Okay, so this completes our code to connect our MySQL database to our application, and now we will try to run this application and see if it got some error or it can run. So just go to this green button, start debugging, press it and press yes. Would you like to build it? Say yes, and if our code is correct then it will run. And yes, our code is correct, so it's running. And when you click this OK button, our query is also correct. So if our query is executed, then this will not show any error. That means our code is correct. To check whether our code is really working, what we can do is go here in your try catch block. First of all, go to your form design and just note the name of this text box. So the name of this text box is, you can see here in the property tab, the text box name is message text. So just copy this text box name for this text box and just click this small arrow and right click, check multi-line, so we can make this a bigger box, and in here we can see our data. And just go there and just once again click OK. We will go to our code, and in here in the try catch block paste that message box text name, and then give this arrow sign and write text and write plus is equal to. What this plus will do is this will keep on writing in your text box, it will not replace your text. And then write bracket and bracket close, and in here just copy this my reader variable name, paste it in the box and write this arrow button and just write get int 32 and in the bracket write 0. This line, what it will explain is we are taking the first column of your database and we are going to display in this message box. So the first column of my database is employee ID, and it should show me 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to 7. That's why I have taken this get int, because it's an integer variable type. So once again I will run my program. I will click yes, and it's running now, and when I press OK, and it says invalid access to the field read. So I will close it, and in here what I will go here, this error comes because I haven't enclosed my message with a while statement. So I need to write while brackets and this. I will close this message here. So do this. So I have written this while statement and close this message in that, and in this while I will copy this my reader, paste it here, and with this arrow sign I will write read, so it will read our database. So just do this code, and now once again run your application, and it runs, and press OK, and you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this 1 to 7 number is representing this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have successfully extracted our database EID column in our program. So I think this is a very long video, so I will stop it here, and in the next video probably I will show you how to make a login or sign in page with this Windows Form application in C++. So stay tuned, and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.